It's so easy to make. This is my recipe for smoked cream cheese in the Traeger or whatever pellet grill you have. I'm going to show you how to do both the sweet and savory so you don't have to miss out on one or the other. But you could use this little recipe to make any sort of flavored cream cheese. You could even just top it with some salmon at the end. Make it super basic, call it a day. So anyways, you just need to score the top of a block of cream cheese about a 1/4 inch or like almost half of the way down the block of cream cheese. And then you can season it. I did half savory with some everything bagel seasoning and the other half with some cinnamon and sugar. You could also use barbecue rub or Old Bay seasoning or anything from Meat Church. And then just make sure to put a little olive oil all around the block of cream cheese.
All right, we have the sweet side is cinnamon and sugar. And then on the savory side is some everything bagel seasoning. And then all over the top of this is a drizzle of olive oil, which is gonna help it get a beautiful golden brown color. Let's smoke it.
It goes right in the Traeger smoker grill at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure it's on aluminum foil because it's going to get sticky when you want to go serve it. So it just smokes for about 2 to 3 hours. It was the same temperature as these smoked apples. You can get that recipe on Sip Bite to Go as well. So you just pull it off the smoker when it's done to your desired level. Look how gooey and delicious this is. Serve with crackers, pita chips, bagels, you name it. Print out this recipe and others at Sip Bite Go. Cheers!